welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a lazy girl workout. Okay, this is the perfect gentle movement workout to start your day on the best possible note. You could literally do this workout in bed. The point of this is to just get you up and moving without being overwhelming. And before you make any excuses as to why you can't do this workout, just decide to take only 10 minutes to put yourself first, and your body and your mental health and your overall happiness will feel so much better at the end of this 10 minutes. This is not meant to replace your entire workout routine, although if you are an absolute beginner, it could. This is just meant to be supplementary to that, like to do it in the mornings to wake up or to do it on active rest days. If you are looking for a full out, workout challenge, workout program, I have all of those up in my app, Daily Thrive. We have got a 6-week shred challenge. That one is insane. We have also got the 28-day kickstart challenge, and we have weekly schedules that are updated every single Sunday for the following week. So you always have a schedule to follow, and we've got full-length follow-along workouts just like this one, but they are exclusive to Daily Thrive. Can't find them anywhere else, and they are full-length. So 20, 30, 40 minutes, sometimes even an hour long with me. So the link for that is in my description if you want to try it for free for 7 days and see how you like it. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the workout. You don't need any equipment, of course. You can just follow along with me with the timer. We're doing each exercise for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds, rest in between. And like I said, you could literally do this in bed. And also my outfit that I'm wearing today, because I always get questions on this, is from Right Wear. A link of my exact outfit is in my description. And you can also use my promo code Vicky to get an extra 10% off and save some money. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with the first exercise, which is going to be a lying bicycle crunch. So instead of doing a full out crunch, we're just going to be moving our legs. So you're going to put your legs here, and then you're going to switch. So you're basically doing like a big bicycle crunch, like you're riding a bicycle in the air. So make sure you really lower each leg all the way down. This is really going to activate and engage your core. Try to make sure your back is as flat on the ground as possible, so it's not like overarching or anything. Lower it as much as you can, and switch. Lower, switch. We got this. Let's go. Woo. Keep that core tight. So next, we're going to get on our sides, and we're going to be doing a clam shell. So just laying on our sides, like we're taking a nap, feet together, knees bent. You're going to go up all the way when the timer starts. Where is it? All right, you're going to go up all the way, keeping your heels together, and back down. So try to keep your hip down on the ground, like your leg shouldn't be lifting together with the other leg. You're just making sure the movement comes from your glutes. And this is so great for your inner thighs, your outer thighs, your booty. Make sure your heels are together. Core is tight. Woo, keep going. We can do this. Woo. All the way up, and let's switch sides. Lay on our sides here and take a little nap. You can literally do this while watching TV, So no excuses, you can multitask. So you're gonna go up, back down. Really get that knee all the way up without rocking your body back. So make sure your hips are still facing like forward or squared. And if you put a resistance band around your legs for this one, oh my gosh, the burn is real, let me just tell you. But then that wouldn't really be a lazy girl workout, would it? So we're keeping it simple today. Whew. Keep going. And back up. Next we're doing a hip bridge, so nice and simple. Get on your back. Oh my god, Freya. She wants to be petted so bad. I wish you guys could see her. Okay, so for the hip bridge, you want to make sure that your feet are wide enough apart where you feel it in your glutes, And if you put your feet too close to your booty, you're gonna feel it mostly in your thighs. If they're too far, you're gonna feel it mostly in your hamstrings. So you have to find that sweet spot where you feel it in your booty the most. Of course, you're still gonna feel it in your thighs and your hamstrings, but you should be focused mostly on the glutes. Freya, come here. Come here. She's rolling around on the windowsill right now. She's being a little hoe. Squeeze your glutes. Make sure you don't overarch here. Just keep that core tight. And this should be like in a straight line. Alright, good job. Next we're going to be doing cocoons, and I have to bring Freya over here because she's being so cute. So for the cocoons, you're going to get down on the ground and you're simply going to hug your knees in towards your body and then come back out. So you're going to hug your knees, come back out. So you can lay down all the way flat, or you can stay up here for a more challenging ab burn. What? She's being so cute today. Keep going. Whew. You can just lay flat, bring it all up, lay flat, bring it all up, lay flat. Whew. Whew. Catch your breath. Next we've got a butterfly sit-ups, another great one for our abs, but we're going to be putting our legs instead of a regular crunch. Actually, these are crunches, not sit-ups. So instead of a regular crunch, your legs are going to be open like this. This removes the use of your hip flexors and your thigh muscles, so you really make sure that the movement is coming from your abs. Keep going, crunch up. Try not to strain or use your neck here. You can also leave your hands down on the side. Keep going. Squeeze your abs. Whew. And come down. Look at that, we're almost done. We're like halfway through the exercise. Next, we're gonna be doing arm circles, a little bit of upper body action. So you could just stay seated here. Listen, do not underestimate this exercise because it burns. Okay, so arms out to the side. You're gonna do nice big circles. Make sure your shoulders stay down. So your shoulders should not be shrugging like this. Make sure they stay down. You're gonna do nice big circles. Palms are facing down. Now we're gonna speed it up. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, let's go. We got this. Woo, it already burns. Oh, she's playing hide and seek with us now. Freya bug, we can see you. She thinks we can't see her. She doesn't realize that the curtain is transparent. Ooh, almost there, almost there. Don't drop them. Come down. Wowza. Next up, we've got plank twists. If this is too difficult for you, you can just try to hold the plank for as long as possible. So you can literally just hold a plank here. Just stay in this position, or you can hold it here on your elbows. But I'm going to be twisting from side to side. Again, just do what you can. If you need to just hold the plank, it's totally fine. You can also do this up on your hands, although it's easier on the elbows. Keep going. Twist, twist. Let's go. 20 more seconds. Woo! 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. And we have got our last exercise. We're doing a fire hydrant. So we're doing 45 seconds on each side. So you're on all fours. See, I told you this could all be done in bed, okay? You don't even have to get out of bed for this. You're gonna go out to the side, back down. If you want to spice this up a little, you can bring it out, kick the leg out, and back down. Up, out, back down. Or you could just keep doing regular fire hydrant, whatever you want. Keep going, a few more seconds. Oh my god, my arms are still burning from the arm circles. I was like, what? And now we're gonna be doing fire hydrant to the other side. We're all done here. Look at that. Nice, gentle way to get our body moving. Oh, my hair is all over the place. Oh my god. Let's go. Go up and down. So we're gonna do something like this. And then we're gonna kick out, kick out. Whew. Keep going, we got this. And come down. Woo! All right, how's my hair? Oh my god, it's sticking out like a crazy lady. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's lazy girl workout. This is meant to just get you moving. That is the priority, because guess what? Something is always better than nothing. Even if you only have 10 minutes in a day, doing some kind of movement, doing something good for your body will take you a long way at the end. So don't let lack of time or lack of motivation really stop you. Like, just do it. Okay? Alrighty guys, so don't forget the link to shop my outfit is in my description. It is from Riderwear. This is the Naked collection. It's one of it's like literally my favorite collection from Riderwear, hands down. Like, they have so many colors too. It's so good. And the link to Try Daily Thrive is in my description. I know you will love it just as much as all these people have been loving it so far, and the reviews are like phenomenal. So I hope you check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.